Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video just want to talk about some important condition in Excel. So what is the importance of this one conditions and how to use this one condition? So I want to explain each and everything about this one condition. So actually every condition have a separate meaning. Like if you are use the counter, so counter has a separate meaning, and if you use the count has the separate meaning. So actually you can also know about from this one name. Like if you are look to the name count means then to be count anything, like any names, any numbers, so it is also denoted from the main name. But actually if you are just focus on that, how to use this one formulas and what is the use of this one formulas in Excel. So actually I don't want to waste the time. So if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update in upcoming time. So right now I'm just going to talk about counter. So how to use counter. So I just want to click right over here. I'm directly going to be put this one formula for all of you, because you will be understand automatically. So you can see there's many formulas like counter if, and counter black, counter if, and counter ifs. So actually this is separate topics, but I want to explain the count and counter blank and counter if. The counter if will be explained after to complete this one overall lecture, because this formula have a separate meaning. So that's why I didn't add to this one lecture the counter ifs. So right now I just want to open the bracket. So you can see they are directly want to a value, like please put the value which one value want to be counted. So I just want to counter this one value. So you can see I just give this one range and I just want to close the bracket. So I just want to press the enter. So you can see I have almost 10 counter. Like I just want to count this one number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. But actually there are some absent student like Zeeshan and as well as Kamran is absent, and they are like the counter formula didn't mention that because these both are absent. So the absent student didn't mention by the counter formula. So counter means that if you are apply on anything, so they will be count the present student in exam, or present student in any place, or present employee in any day. So you should easily count the overall peoples and overall like present people in any place, in any organization, in any school. This is the main use of counter. But actually if you look to the counter blank means how much people are absent. Like this is how much people are present, but right now I'm just going to be count the how much people are absent. So you can see if you look to the counter blank, so I just want to put it right. Yeah, you can see counter blank. So you just double click on this, and you can see I just want to give the range to this one formula, and once again I just want to close the bracket and just click on the enter. So you can see it has two people are absent, and you can see that here they automatically count by their own formula. But if you look to count means they are count the overall people, like how much people are present in any school, in any class, in any organization. So you can use this one formula for a large number of people. You don't need to use for a small number of people, but it is also to be very useful for you to be used in any place, like in any school, in any class, or in any organization. So I just want to open the count formula. You can see I'm just directly going to enter the count formula, and I'm directly going to give a range to this one formula, and I just want to close the bracket and press the enter button. So you can see they are count the 10 number. But if I write right here for example 1.2.1, so you can see here will be automatically 11, and you can see the formula is automatically changed. But I'm just directly going to be click on this, and I just want to change this one formula to counter, because I'm not write the counter formula right here. But if I change this one to counter, you can see I'm directly click on this, and right now if I remove this one number, like I just want to remove this one number, so this one formula is automatically changed to this one place. You can see this is a counter, and the second one is count. So actually this is the main use. But right now I just want to find out the main sum of overall score. So I just want to open this sum formula right over here, and I just want to open the bracket, and once again I just want to give a range, and after that I just want to click on this, close the bracket, and once again I just want to enter, and you can see I directly denoted and find out the overall score. You can see it is almost 22.5. and right now I just want to find out the average. So average is also important for us to be find out average of anything, like every score. So every score have a separate average. Like I just want to click on this, and once again I just want to give a range to this one, and once again I just want to close the bracket, and you can see the average is 2.25. Right now I just want to check out the maximum number in this one, like what is the maximum score in this one sheet. So this is also important to be find out the maximum score. So you can see I'm just going to click on this maximum, and once again I'm just going to open the bracket, and once again I just want to I'm directly giving a range to this one, and you can see after that I'm just going to close the bracket, and you can see the maximum score is 4. But if I'm remove the 4, so you can see the maximum score automatically will be changed from here. So you can see this is a 3.4, but you can see I'm just going to enter a 4 like over here, and right now I'm just find out the minimum score in this one place, in this one sheet. So you can see I'm directly give a range to this one person, this one sheet. So you can see I'm just going to enter the point. So you can see this is a minimum score. So you can see there has a minimum score, and you can also use this one formula like this. And here right here there's also one formula. You can also use this one formula on different ways, like if you want, but I'm not like this one is not more importance in any field, but if you want, so you can use this one formula as well. But I am directly give the overall, like this is overall numbers, and I'm just going to close the bracket and just put it the range, and you can see you can also check out the minimum number from here. You can see this is a minimum. So if you are remove this one number, this formula automatically will change and select the other minimum number from this one table. So you can also use this one, but if you are using minimum formula, so it will be useful for you, and it is too easy than others. So right now if you look to count if is too important, and it is a good formula ever. Like if you want to calculate, and if you want to find out how much people are from Peshawar and how much people are from Islamabad, or if you want how much people are from Karachi. So if you want to check out this, so it will be too useful for you to be use this one formula. And even I also like this one formula, because if you want, you can use this one formula on others different ways as well. So you can see first of all I'm just going to give a range to this one people, and right now I'm just going to give a range. This is basically a range of us, and right now I just want to press the comma, and once again I'm directly give a score of the people. So I'm just going to click and close the bracket and press the enter. So you can see they are showing the 0, but I think we are selected the wrong people. Like I'm directly put it this one table to this one, like this is our range, and I just want to press the comma, and I want to tell to find out me on this one. But it is important to be selected, be carefully. Like I just want to press enter, but they are still showing me 0. Why? Because I'm not giving the overall data correctly. So I just want to place once again right here like this, and I just want to be mention the Peshawar, because I'm working right now on Peshawar. So I'm just going to click on the Peshawar, and once again I'm just close the bracket, and you can see here I want to be remove the other bracket, so it is good. So you can see here's almost 5 people from Peshawar, like Peshawar 1 2 3 4 5. But if you want to change any person to Peshawar, this formula will be automatically count the others. Like if you want to use once again, so count if and directly open the bracket, and you just give the range overall, and once again you just press the comma and just give a criteria which one you want to be mentioned right now. So I just put it this and re-enter. So here's from Islamabad, there's only 3 people, 1, 2 and 3. So right now I just want to count about Peshawar, like from how much from Karachi. So count if, and once again open the bracket, and this one is criteria for this, and the third one is just press the comma and click the Karachi. So this will be automatically count by them. So you can see I just want to press the so you can see 4 people is from Karachi. So you can see 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So if you want to change anyone to other locations, so this formula automatically will be changed for them. And right now once again I am directly going to enter this sum formula, SUMIF. So SUMIF, I just want to press the open the bracket, and you can see I just want to give a range for this. You can see I'm directly going to give a range like this and press the comma and criteria is like this, and I just want to be sum the score of Peshawar people. So you can see I'm just going to click on this, and I just want to close the bracket, and you can see this is the score of Peshawar people. So you can also use like this, and if you are double click on this, so the automatically Islamabad people and Karachi people will also automatically count for you. And here I just want to give a one trick, like if you are use this one, so this is also too good trick, and even I also use this one trick as well on different places. So you can see right here I'm just going to open this one right here. So if you want to open the if formula, and once again if you want to give a specific value, like I'm directly give logistic day test, and right now if I feel like I just want to take this decision between pass and fail peoples, like who are fail in the exam and who are pass in the exam. So I am directly going to like remove and select the one place. So I'm decided that if the Vishal score is 1.3, so if the score is equal or greater than 2, so it is pass. So I just want to write, so please write for me this one person is passed, otherwise the person are fail. So you just decide by computer. So I just want to put this one on this, and you can see yes, it is good. So this one is fail because it is below from 2, and even if I double click on this, so these are pass, and this one is also pass, this one is also pass, and this one is also pass. So I just want to pass this one person, like it is working or not. So I just want to put the 2.3. So it is going to, for above from 2, so it should be passed right now. So you can see this one is passed, and automatically overall formula is going to be working well. So this is how can you manage overall school data or organization data in on Excel. So this is working too good, and if you are using this one basic formula, so you will be good in Excel and you will be considered as expert in Excel. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thanks a lot.